Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge for me, Nick Bignell. This is challenge number 99, and this is the third part of the SANTALYTICS. I can't even say that. Anyway, third part of the 3 series where we're looking at Alteryx tools and positioning them in tables. Now this one is actually a repeat of part 2, or slightly different. So basically they're saying take your visualization from part 2 and make it easier to use any way you like. So make it interactive, lay it out differently, include legends. So what I'm thinking is that after I did my table, and it was fairly straightforward organizing by category, when I had a look at some of the other, if we have a look on it, you can see that people have done periodic tables, actual periodic tables. This is from James Cameron. And I was thinking, well, we could do a periodic table, but the way that I was thinking is that we actually use a periodic table to help drive the layout. So what I was thinking is that here's the workflow from last week. It's the with the tools split out by the categories here, and you can see that we've got them split out. So that's the address ones, then the behavior, Calgary, connectors, data investigation, etc., etc. So what I'm thinking is that we've got in the data, let's just go back here, tool rank. Okay, so each tool is ranked 1 to 100 and something or other. Then we've got 158.9 there with macro output, and I'm thinking that we could actually map it to the position of the actual periodic table, and but as based on the atomic number of the element. So I had a quick look around, and on Wikipedia we have a periodic table. Here it is. So it's got 1 to 18 columns, and it's got a number of rows, 8 and then all these ones that are sort of grouped in. So I'm thinking that we can use this format to map our tools to elements. Okay, so now I've as you saw, I had it highlighted. So I copied this table. I did try and paste it straight into a text input or straight into the canvas, but you just get a long column, so it's actually not very useful as a to be able to manipulate. But what I did find, I just move down here, if I pasted it into an Excel spreadsheet, or actually a Google Sheets, then create an XML document, you can see here that it just simply puts it into a table format. So what I'm thinking of doing was manipulating it. We've got the in this particular field we've got a number and the atomic lettering. So I'm thinking that we find a way of kind of removing that, and then we basically organize it so for each atomic number we have a row and a column, and then we just join that back into the main data set and then build our table based on that setup. So that's my theory anyway. So let's see how we get on. So the first thing I think is just sort this data out. So let's do that. And there we go. I think we have it. Let's just make this smaller so we can see it all. Yeah, there we go. So we now have perfect all the all the tools in the periodic table design with the name of the I've added in with the name of each tool as well, just so we can see what it is. I think that looks quite beautiful. It really does. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.